How to make money with Facebook ads 2020. Have you ever lost money on Facebook ads? Well, not anymore. This is your lucky day. First, let me be honest with you. This method can be used by anyone who's serious about their online business, but not everyone is going to take advantage of this opportunity. If you are serious, then I recommend you grab a copy of Facebook Ads University before it's taken down at the end of this video presentation. Now let's continue. How would you like to get a behind-the-scenes look at a multi-million-dollar online seller who is using Facebook ads? Meet J.R. Fishers. J.R. Fisher, who is one of the best, or if not the king of Facebook ads. He sells millions of dollars worth of both digital and physical products every year using 90% of Facebook advertisements. He has been selling online for 10 years now, and his biggest day of sales was $102,649.22 in a single day. Not too bad, right? Listen, whenever you get the opportunity to hear a real expert is using Facebook ads to crush it in the market, you just have to listen. If you have been doing any kind of Facebook advertisement and been unsuccessful with it, let's face it, without having people come to your offers, you can't sell anything. Which makes you wonder why they aren't buying. In J.R. Fisher's Facebook training course, you'll be blown away with how the average person can crush it with his simple and easy to follow technique. No experience required. Here's just a few things he covers in this secret training. 1. How to test your ads for only $5 a day. 2. How to run a successful ad campaign even if you've never done it before or have failed in the past. 3. How to know in advance which images will work for your ads. 4. How to protect yourself from losing money on Facebook ads. 5. A simple process you can use every time to almost guarantee your success. 6. Easy to follow videos and much more. Some training like this, well, you simply can't afford to miss out on. In my opinion, it doesn't make sense to learn from someone who hasn't earned millions online. This is a limited time only and the training will come down soon. Are you ready to start making real money with Facebook ads? Check out Facebook Ads University by clicking the link in the description below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.